Alikuwa mbele yako.
Wacha hapo, alikuwa pale hivyo. Alikuwa hiyo nyingine.
We go to E005. We can take up the date of our application validation. We are found with the memorandum of appeal by this court. And I do not know whether by choice or by default, the notice of motion application was made as served to the respondents. We only served with the memorandum of appeal.
Your issue, that is not true, because we've already responded to the same by filing grounds of opposition to the notice.
Yes, we did. Yes, we did, but the notice of motion was made as served to the ODPP. That's the correct position.
So how did you respond to something that was not within your knowledge?
We responded based on the memorandum of appeal in that police. And remember, the conservative orders were issued pursuant to the notice of motion application filed and the certificate of urgency.